What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. So a few weeks ago I picked up this camera, the Sony A6400. I've been really enjoying it, I don't know, I think it's a pretty good camera. It's my first time using any of the Sony cameras with interchangeable lenses, so of course eventually I had to get myself a new lens because you can never have enough lenses. So today this is just going to be like a really quick little unboxing of the Sony 35mm 1.8 lens. This is my first lens and I imagine this will be my only lens for a while because lenses, especially Sony ones, are super duper expensive. So we got our lens, we got our little lens hood. This is the Sony 35mm 1.8. Focus ring feels good. Feels good, man. Alright, so right now we're gonna swap the lenses and we'll do a quick little comparison. Alright guys, so I just put on the 35mm lens, so all this background blur should look a bit better than the other lens, I don't know. It'll also help with like low light shots. Anyway, I don't know, this is just like what it looks like. I don't know how to be a tech vlogger. I'll try to do some test shots and insert them here. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this quick little video. My name is Chase and I will see you again soon. Bye.